Welcome to Asha Mahi Show, and this is Asha Mahi. Hope you're having a very good day and you're all safe. So, in my previous video, you have seen under the topic of network topology, I have said incidence matrix and I've done a problem for it. And the next topic under network topology is tie-set matrix. Okay, tie-set matrix is again called as circuit matrix. And this circuit matrix, from circuit matrix we can able to give voltage loop equations, we can give current loop equations, and we can find the branch currents. It means that what is the current flowing in that branch, we can able to find that. Okay, rather than doing loop KCL and KVL, we are directly doing this tie set matrix, okay, with a very simple like a simple rules. Actually, if we follow simple rules, we can directly do this tie set matrix and we can able to find the currents. I'll tell you how. Okay, let us take a graph which is directly given in the problem. So this is the problem which is directly given, and they asked to find out the branch currents. Okay, as we have seen in instance matrix, I have taken the same graph, similar graph. Okay, and we have how many nodes we have here? We have 4 nodes. And how many branches we have here? Branches are 5. Okay, these are the branches, and the one which are circled are the nodes. So it is again like a junction point actually, where your branches will meet. Okay, so we have 5 branches and we have 4 nodes. Okay, now from this, if you want to do a tie set matrix, you need to select a tree out of this graph. I'll tell you what is a tree. Okay, so the concept of tree will come. Tree is nothing but out of this graph you should have the same nodes, same 4 nodes we should have in the tree. Okay, and your branches will be n minus 1. So your n is 4, so 4 minus 1, we have 3 branches. Okay, so your tree should have all the nodes and your branches will be given the formula n minus 1. If you have 4 nodes, then your branches will be 3. Okay, now we'll take the 4 nodes here. 1, I'll make it a big diagram for you. Okay, and 4. Okay, now your branches will be 3 only. So I'll select, it should not be a closed loop, so I'll select this one. Yes, I'll take another pen and I'll do it. This first branch, second branch, and this third branch. This completes my tree. Okay, and your branch numbers will be same. This 1, this 2 as it is, and this is 5. Okay, then how about the remaining things? Okay, the remaining thing is we have this branch also, right? We have 4 and 3. Okay, that we'll be also drawing that. This is 4 and this is 3. Okay, this 4 and this, I'll draw with a dotted line. Okay, those are called as links. Okay, right. So now our tree is this one, and these are the dotted lines which are not taken. Okay, but they are presented here. So this is how you will be taking a tree out of this. Now, as I said, we have to we'll be getting voltage loop equations, current loop equations. We will be drawing loops out of it. Okay, how many loops does it contain? Okay, we have 2 loops. I'll say you how. I'll take this pen and I will draw it. See, when we consider this linked branch also, this is my first loop I1. Okay, I am taking this direction because this is a normal sum. This is also based on if we have an voltage like this, plus and minus, okay, at the 5th branch like this, then your current will be taken as I1. Same as in KVL only. Okay, how you will be taking the orientation, that is same as it is. If I have an voltage source, I don't have voltage source here, so I have assumed this direction. Okay, and the second loop is the total loop. Okay, see, that is I2, and I1 I2 should be in the same direction only, should be assumed. Okay, now let me tell me your loop I1. Let me write this. Your loop I1 is formed with how many branches? See, your I1 is formed with 1, 4, 5 only. 1, 4, 5. It is simply this 1, this is 4 and this is 5. I have drawn. See, it is loop formed with only 1, 4, 5 branches. Your loop 2, that is I2, is formed with how many branches? It formed with like 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. So this is how. So nodes are like this. Your loop 2 exists here, your loop 1 exists here. Okay, that is very important. You shouldn't confuse. Based on this, we will be writing a particular thing. Okay, so now we will see the rules now. As in instance matrix also, here also we have loop. Instance matrix we are taking as Aij. Okay, in instance matrix you are taking as Aij, where I is your node, J is your branches. Here we are taking as Bij. Okay, taken in the pen and done it. So here your Bij, where I is the node, J is the branch. Your Bij equal to plus 1. Okay, when your node and the branch directions are same, where I and J directions are same. Maybe their orientation is same. We can talk like this. And your Bij equal to minus 1. Okay, that you'll definitely know when I and J, your node and the branch directions are opposite or not same also we can say. Okay, and your Bij equal to 0. Okay, that means that your J, your branch J is not in the loop which we are considering. The loop which we are considering. Okay. So here I is not taken as a node, I is taken as the loop and J is taken as the branches. Okay. Like in instance matrix, your I is not the node. Here I is taken as the loop and J is taken as the branches. Okay, now I'll keep this aside for your understanding maybe. Right. So now let us draw a tabular form. I'll keep this aside. Okay. So how many loops we have? See, as nodes, okay, same in the column format, we will write the loops. In column format, we have how many loops? We have 2 loops, I1 and I2. Okay. In the row format, same as instance matrix, we will write all the branches. So here we have all the branches. How many branches we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, shall we divide it? Okay, we'll make it to avoid confusion. So this is the tabular form which is given. Now, as we said, we'll write it here maybe. Your Bij equal to plus 1 when the directions are same. Your Bij, so this is I and this is J, okay, equal to by minus 1 when the directions are opposite, and your Bij is equal to 0 when they are not linked or not in the fundamental loop, we can say. Okay, now see carefully from this diagram, we will see your I1. So your I1 and the first node. See, your I1 is connected with how many? I have written here, right? Your I1 is connected to 1, 4, 5 only. Your I2 is connected to 1, 2, 3 and 5. See, your I1 is linked with branches 1, 4, 5. Your I2 is linked with branches 1, 2, 3, 5 directly. Okay, from here we can directly do, you'll directly get the answer directly. Okay, so how many branches were linked? 1. So branch 1 and I1, they are linked together. Now see the direction. Your I1 is coming like this. Your branch is also coming in the same direction. Both are in the same direction. See, when directions are same, your answer is plus 1 according to the rule given. Okay, and now your I1 is connected to 4th branch. 2, 3 are not at all connected. You're connected to 4th branch. So 4th branch same. Your I1 is going like this downward. Your 4 is also going in the same direction downward. So your answer is plus 1. When they are same, your Bij equal to plus 1. Now 5th one, see. Your I1 is coming, is circulating right in the same direction. Your 5 is also, the branch direction is same. So again it is plus 1. Now which are not linked are 2 and 3. Keep it 0. Simple 0. Okay. The next one for I2. I2 we said I2 is linked with first branch. See, I2 is going like this in the same direction with 1. So it is 1 plus 1 because I2 direction and the branch direction are same. Same I2 direction and the branch 2 direction are also same. So it is again plus 1. Your Bij is plus 1. Now your I2 is coming down like this and your branch 3 is going in the opposite direction upward. See, these two are opposite. So here it is minus 1. They are opposite direction or minus 1. Now your loop is going in this direction. See, in the direction of the 5 also. Your 5 also is going in the upward direction. Your branch also going in the upward direction. Okay, it's in the clockwise direction. So it is again plus 1. Now which is not linked is 4. Keep it as 0. So this is how you got this one. Okay, now from here we can directly get an equation. Okay, I'll say you how. See, very simple. Okay, from the rows we will be writing the voltage equations. Okay, all the rows contain the voltage equation. Okay, so this is like V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Okay, so now the equation here is V1 plus V4 plus V5 is equal to 0. We got the voltage loop equation for the first row. So here the second row, this contains like, this is V1 and plus V1 plus V2 minus V3 and plus V5 is equal to 0. So these are the voltage loop equations what we got. Right. So from the row format we have written the voltage loop equations. Now from the column format we will write the current equations. Very easy. In column. So this way. Your first column. Okay. I1 plus I2 both are plus, right? So I1 plus I2 is equal to which branch? First branch. So J1. Okay. Second column. We don't have I1 here. We have only I2 and that is plus. So I2 is equal to J2. Now third. Minus I2. We don't have I1 here. That is equal to J3. Okay. Now coming to 4. We have only I1 that is plus. So I1 is equal to J4. Okay. And the fifth branch we have both are plus. So I1 plus I2 is equal to J5. So these are the branch currents. So if you want to know from this, I've taken this one. From the first branch, that is J1, what is the current which is flowing? I1 plus I2, both of them. Okay. From J2, from the second branch, what is the current flowing? Only J2, from J2 only I2 current is flowing. See, I2 current is only flowing. For branch 3, what is the current which is flowing? Minus I2. For branch 4, what the current is flowing? Only I1. So branch 5, both I1 and I2. So by these voltage equations and from these current equations, we will be finding out the branch currents. See how simple it is. Rather than doing KCL and KVL and all that equation format, looping format, this is really easy. Topology really helps us. This is tie set matrix. In the next video, I'll be saying what is a cut set matrix. It's also very simple. Please be tuned to the video and please subscribe to the video to get my notifications. Bye bye. Take care.